Hi there, this is Mr. Sand, and I'm just going to walk through how I make YouTube videos so that you can make YouTube videos as tutorials for students for extra credit and just to help your own understanding too. This really helps you do that. So first of all, I want to show you a program that I use to draw and to walk through problems. It's called Sketchbook Express. Here it is. It's a free download. It's about to pop up here, and I resize it so it's not going to take up my whole screen here. It's a free download. It allows you to draw as much as you'd like. So if you're walking through a problem, or you just want to point to things, or you just say that you want to go through like algebra problem where it's like x plus it's a little more difficult with the mouse. X plus 4 equals 1. You have to figure out what x is. You can walk through the steps of it there, or you can just draw something that is related to the topic. You can also download this for free. So I'll show you how to do that. You go over to just your Google Sketchbook Express, and it comes up. First thing you go to is this, and you can download it for free. It works for any kind of operating system, Mac or PC. So that's good. And yeah, so you can play around with this. There's different brushes and different things to do with this Sketchbook Express. Also, let me show you. Let's say that you want to make a some physics point about acceleration, and you need a drawing of a car. So you just go to images and find a car. And okay, this looks like a nice side image right there. So I'm going to take that one, and I'm going to just drag and drop it into my Sketchbook Express. Let's see what happens here. Okay, save. Oops. Cancel. I don't want to do that. Drop it in here. Don't save that. And boom, you've got the car. You can zoom in on this if you want to. Um, let's zoom in on this. Zoom in. There we go. And here you can then, let's get out of this. You can just say, let's say that you want to have a problem where this car is going forward, and there's a force acting upwards on this car, and there's also some friction from the surface that's pushing backwards on the car. You can label all these things with different colors, like this is the force due to friction, sure, okay. It just gives you some options of showing, of writing on images and so forth. So it's a good tool. Also, just to show you how you might record something. I mean, you can record yourself. You can record a video of yourself just through your phone, I guess, and then upload that to YouTube if you like. You can also go online if you want to show a video of something. Like, let's say that you want to show a video of, I don't know, an example of lots of potential energy at the top of this Niagara Falls, and then it's falling, and the water gains potential energy. Maybe you want to show a video, so you would go to a video like this. That's not a great video. Let's find a video on YouTube. Did I just click on the same one? Anyway, here it is. So here it is. If it goes, click, click, click. It's not working. Interesting. Oh, it's not working. Let's try this one. This is on YouTube. This should work. Of course, there's going to be an ad. But you can take this video and you can show it to the students. Now you might be wondering, okay, so Mr. Sand, this is all great, but how do I capture the video on the screen? Let me just get this quieted here. Let's mute that. How do I capture all this stuff happening on the screen? Well, it's pretty easy, especially if you have a Mac. If you have a PC, you can download programs that are you can look for them. They're called video capture or screen capture. You can find an app that way, and it'll be free, and you can download it. You can also, if you've got a Mac, you can just go to QuickTime. Here's QuickTime right here, or you can get to it through your apps application window right here. It'll be right here. It'll be under QuickTime. Okay, the QuickTime player. I've opened it right now. Done with this. I don't need that. But what I can do is I can go over here and I can go to New Screen Recording, and I click on that, and here it is. It's showing my voice. You can hear my voice, and you can also see this bar going up right here, and you can record this. Now, you can show, there's different microphones here you can choose, but I'm just going to record, and it's recording right now. Oh no, it's not recording right now. It asks you to select a section of your screen you'd like to record. And then when you do that, you can press start recording, and it'll start recording. Now when you want to stop recording, you click up over here, and it's recording my voice as you're hearing it right now. And you can go right here in this time right now. You can go to your Sketchbook Express, and you can write anything you want to, and you can do your explanation and blah blah blah. And then now here's the key part. Once you're done with this and you've made the video and everything is good, you want to go up to the top where there's a little stop button, and you press stop, and then it saves this file right here, and I'll press play just to show you. Okay, so it's going good. You can save this, so I'll just save it. I'll file save as just example. I'll just call it example 1. I'll save it to my desktop, and it's saving it. Great. Now I can share this to YouTube, and I'm going to do that right now. It says publishing your movie to YouTube, and if you have an email address, it'll go directly to an email. That email address. I don't want to go to that email address. I want to go to a slightly different one. The one is this one right here, mrbishopsand@gmail.com. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go to mrbishopsand@gmail.com. And funny enough, I don't remember my password. I think this is it. Uh-oh. All right, well, let's just use the one that I used before. Okay, let's go back to this. Whatever your YouTube shoot. Let's use this one. I have so many Gmail accounts, it's not funny. There we go. So now I'm logged into my Gmail account through YouTube, and I'm going to say allow this, yeah, sure. And then it allows me to publish this, and I can choose different categories if I want to. We'll use science and technology, description if you want, and you can choose to make this personal or public. I'm going to say this is public, and you can always take it down after a while, and you can share it. So I'm going to click share. And now there's this little video this little screen window pops up and says it's publishing, and it's less than a minute, and soon we'll be able to check it out. It'll even give you an email saying your video is done, and you can share that link to me, and then I can post it. I can post it to the Canvas modules. So that's a way that you get this video out through YouTube. You can always take this video down if you don't want it to be on your personal email account, your YouTube account. That's fine. I understand you might be a YouTube celebrity. You might not want this on your account. Maybe you make a different email account and post it through that YouTube channel. Whatever you want to do. But if you want to have credit for this, I need to have some sort of a file that I can do this. You can even send me this QuickTime file if you want to through your email, and you don't have to post it through YouTube, and I'll just post it myself through my YouTube channel. And I can take it down after a while if you don't want me to have it up there for a while. So that's that. You can also adjust this through QuickTime. You've got other, I'm sure some of you have amazing abilities that far surpass my video editing abilities, but this is what I use. I use QuickTime, and I can trim segments out of this out if I want to. You can trim segments out of here. You can make it shorter, or you can trim it down to whatever size you like. That's the only real ability I have. You could also use, I guess, for me, I could use iMovie if I wanted to make this even more spectacular, but you don't have to spend that much time on this. Just something simple that gets the point across. So hopefully this helped. Let me know if you have any questions or if I've left anything out and I can make a different video. All right.